Hey guys, welcome, and this is how to fix blurry camera on iPhone. So guys, the first solution is just simply go to the settings into your phone. Now, over here, you could just simply go ahead and scroll down a little bit until you see over here privacy and security. Now, here on the privacy and security, you could just simply go ahead and go to the camera. And now here you should be able to have a list of application that have access to your camera. And from here, you can turn off a specific application or just make sure to turn them on to avoid any issues. Now, another option is you could just simply go back to the settings and now go for the screen time. Here, scroll down, and you can just simply go for content and privacy restrictions. Now here, just make sure to turn this on in order for you to access allowed apps and features. So you could just simply go ahead and see here the camera. And here, just make sure to turn on the camera to avoid any issue. There you go. If you found this video helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below. And we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.